Pumana ng 11 points, 8 assists and 8 steals si Kit Jimenez. Mainit ang showdown nila ni Archie Concepcion, tinirahan ng harapan si Kit, may showtime Euro step pa. Di rin nagpapahuli si Jeff Biernes sa kanyang debut game sa Sarangani. Ang ganda ng laban. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Earning a starting nod here. But a steal, Pampanga with John Ashley Fa.
Looked at King Destacamento first before going up for that layup. Wow.
Unfazed by the height disadvantage. Mina for free. It's good. Pampanga here in the first. Clemente saving it to Lalata. 4 seconds left. Chris Lalata able to recover. Whips a pass to Clemente who fires a free, and medyo nakikita natin unti-unti gustong gawin dito ni Coach Tony.
Yeah, and I think it says a lot about his personality as well. You know, nakuha niya agad ang buy-in dito para sa Sarangani. And Mr. 50.
So far, it's been a tough debut game. But a great pass, Lalata receiving it, and now pansin ko dito, a lot of ball handling responsibilities early para dito kay John Dermal. Renz Alcoriza.
Jeff Biernes, kaibigan niya ni Boss Robert. And a lot of our friends here in the FPBL.
Oh, lot of time left. Alcoriza lines it up, no good. Lars Muyang with another board. Puts it up and gets it.
They're all working together in making Larry a better player.
Lot of speed there. That one halfway down. Larsunga susugod and gets it to go.
Unang parte ng season.
Just picked up those huge. JLC with a jumper again. Brings the lead back up to 13 before that basket.
So far, there has not really just medyo di pa na-accelerate yung growth.
Natiling double digits ang lamang at the moment itong Pampanga as Lark
In the game, only down by 13.
A lob to Boy Alves, able to regain his foot.
Their lead point guard, John Ashley Fa, only has 1 turnover so far as Nermal.
Slip to Allen Mina. Bounce pass, John Nermal. The layup is good for the gripper.
Those were the type of finishes that Nermal was known for Jeff Biernes dito sa batang-bata.
Oh. Jimenez stumps it, and this is Ken Brillante. Lead. Viernes bubukol ng 3, gets the friendly bounce.
I think it's so far so good para kay John Ashley Fa. Right now though, it's a matter of him, you know,
Board para dito sa Sarangani. Hit him in.
The run spearheaded by Jeff Biernes was deflating yung nangyari dun because they were playing really great defense there. Kaibigan ni Boss Robert Kai o Boracay nila iyan sa mga sponsors ng Pagkasinan.
Ooh, big boy move down low. Chris against jumper, no good. The catch. Concepcion, sidestep beauty right there. In terms of committing those turnovers.
Well, they've committed a lot of turnovers in the early part of the third.
At the post. Steal ulit. Dozom off to the races, challenging Archie. Halyari inside for the putback. Lars Muyang. Yan si Boy Alves. PB hit sa loob. It's 2 more points. 14 points. The lead for Pampanga. Junji Halyari.
Done, but they've shown that they are capable of doing that. But John
Viernes onto the front court. Jeff goes to Mix Pascual. He fires from deep. It's good. Catches off the bounce. Nermal. Series of fakes. Puts it in. Plus a foul. Enes can't get that one to go. He gets it back. Hit. Pocket pass. Brillantes for 2.
now has 15 points, although yung rebounding niya naman na nawala.
Mix Pascual with his first 2-point in it here. Another one.
Well, this is the lack of a point guard.
Past couple of buckets, including that putback, really dousing the rally nitong Sarangani, although di pa tapos. Allen Mina lines it up for 3
To close out the game, Allen Mina. What a performance here down the stretch.
That will count. That long free from Kit Jimenez. He will finish with 11 points, 8 assists, and 8 steals.